Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Eyes on the FANG, our show that goes into the big US tech company names and starting right now with Apple. Apple that this week had a very bullish case scenario that recovered the A21 and 50-day moving average. So it's very difficult to be bearish on something that is above all the key moving average and the slopes on the trend is up. We played and I gave some nice calls for upside on Apple, and we had some nice follow through, hitting the high yesterday 117.7. Now this morning we are market is down more than 1% on the news that Mr. Trump and his wife are with COVID, and now what we want to see if the bulls are going to step in by the lows and make a move from red to green. Then we continue the trend. Otherwise, if we take and break down below the pre-market lows, then it will mean that the impact of those news will be bigger, and bears are stronger to take the market lower. But for now, looking for Apple, what can we say? Looking for the charts, pretty much bullish above all the key moving average, staying bullish versus 113. Told you yesterday I will remain bullish while we are above 113. Breaks below 113, looking for a retest back into 103, $105 area. But once again, we need to see it. Okay, we need to see a break below the levels to trigger a short. Otherwise, we can have pullbacks, but for now, while we are above the 8 and 21 the moving average, while we're above 113, keeping the ball pretty much on the bull camp scenario. Amazon yesterday, very nice move, recovered the 8, 21 and 50-day moving average, first time close above the 50-day moving average. See that it tried once, it tried twice, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, every single move above the 50-day moving average was rejected. Yesterday closed above 50-day moving average, so basically closed above all the key moving average. So I'm staying bullish on Amazon while we are above 31.35. Okay, so 31.35 is my support line. Breaks below, I will be bearish, looking for a move into $2,900 area. Otherwise, keeping the bull case pretty much intact, with the next big level and big wall around 32.50, 32.40 is the next big level ahead. So keeping open-minded for that. Facebook exactly the same, was able to recover the 821 and 50-day moving average yesterday, and keeping the ball on the bull camp, at least for now. So staying bullish while we are above $260. Okay, if we break below $260, then I'll be bearish for a move into 247, 248. It has been the big level, 247, 248. But we need to break below $260. So staying bullish while we are above $260 area. Google, exactly the same thing, was able slowly to hold above the 8-day moving average as a gap to fill at 15.11, staying bullish while we are above 14.65. If we break below 14.65, looking for a rollover into $1,400 area. Otherwise, keeping the bull case pretty much intact for a gap fill into 15.11 and 15.25, the next key level ahead. Microsoft also was able to recover all the key moving average yesterday, staying bullish while we are above 208. Okay, 208 is my support line. I will short only below 208, and if price goes and stays below 208, looking for a short in the $200 area, 201. Otherwise, keeping the ball on the bull camp. Yesterday, $214. It's getting near the big wall. Bull case scenario needs above 218 to resume back up. Okay, so that's the levels that I'm looking. Netflix, very bullish yesterday, big explosion up. One of the things that I told you, it's that once the stock goes above $500, looking for a move into $530 area. Yesterday we hit 529.5, very near $530 area. So now what? Now, in my opinion, after such a strong move, it's wise, and we usually seeing some selling pressure around here. So it's it's wise after such a strong move you start taking profits. So yesterday was the time to start taking profits on the way up. 1/3 of the position goes out, raise the stops on the rest, and keep riding the momentum while it lasts, because we are getting we are starting to go into the overbought conditions, and we can have some resistance around here. That can be a possible scenario. Nvidia also gave this week some longs. We recovered the 821 and staying above all the key moving averages. The trade worked very well. We were making higher lows. I told you that the trigger was, and the target was, to make higher highs versus 532.6, going above this level. We hit yesterday $550 area. I had the target 556, okay, to fill the gap, 556 to fill the gap. We didn't fill the gap yet. Let's see if we are able to fill the gap. This is very bullish in my opinion, but after such a big move, it's wise to trim profits on the way. Trim 1/3 of the position, raise the stops on the rest, keep riding the momentum while it lasts, because it can reverse any moment. So where we stand right now, big moves this week. The trading plan worked very well with Apple, with Nvidia, with Netflix. The trading plan worked very well on those names, playing for upside. Now it's time to and on the way up is my risk management. Always trim profits on the way up, raise the stops, and keep riding the momentum while it lasts. We had a big move from last week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days going up. We need to rest, and right now I see today as a possible pause, and to measure strength between bulls and bears. Market probably opening on the red. Let's see if it's bulls are able to take from red to green. That will show strength and continuation going forward. Otherwise, we can have a trend change. If we fade and break below pre-market lows, then we can have a trend change and go bearish going into the next couple of sessions. But for now, wait for the price to tell us what the hell is going to happen next. Right now, cash is a position. That's why I'm staying cash overnight, and I hope that you manage your risk wisely, okay? Thank you all for watching, and don't miss the next episode. Bye bye everyone.